Hello, dear viewers. It is my esteemed pleasure to welcome you to yet another episode of our YouTube tutorial videos. So, in this tutorial video today, I'm going to show you how you can edit various design elevations so that you can enhance the outlook of this particular uh, design that you are working on, and to also help you make displays more fun and even more appealing to the eye. So before we proceed to this tutorial video, I would like you to kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you might not miss any of our upcoming updates and even tutorial videos that we'll be putting up in this platform for your consumption and also for the benefit of educating more people. So to begin us off, I would like us to acknowledge we have this design that I've been working on. It's not yet complete, but we can also use it for educational purposes. And I want us to look at the 3D design that we have here, just lightly. Of course, I want to have an elevation that almost looks similar to this, because most of the times you'll realize that the elevations that uh, are presented to us are short of the appeal or kind of appeal that you'll be looking at when the ArchiCAD design is fully rendered. So for me to accomplish that, I will go to the task panel here and then I will click on it. Then I will try and locate the various elevations that we have in this particular design. So having located the view map, I'll go to the east elevation. Then I'll select it and then right click. Then I will click on open. And so once that is open, I'll be able, I believe you can see that it is particularly different from the 3D elevation. Let me try and select a point there. Let me try and visualize where this thing is so that you can get this particular. I believe this is it. You can try and get comparisons to that effect. Let me just put it nicely. Then, having done that, I'll simply uh, go to the means of now imposing the settings. So by doing that, I'll just right click on an empty page, right click on it. Then you can be able to see various layouts and even uh, changes that can be imposed to our design. So what I'll do, I'll simply locate the elevation settings. Once I'll locate it, then I'll click on it. Once I've clicked on it, then this is now the dialog box that will be able to help me enhance my changes. So I'll go to general first, see what can be done. I can give it a reference ID. I can start it as 001. Then of course it's the east elevation, so that is okay. Then I'll leave it as the source marker. Of course it is the reference that I'll be using. Then that is the same viewpoint that I'll want. So I'll leave it at the same viewpoint. Then it is an auto rebuild model. So I'll also leave it like that because it is auto generated. I've not put on it manually. Then so I'll leave it at that. Then I will also like to show all stories. Of course, because you know it's we have the first and the second story, so I'll leave all of them, and then the horizontal page will be infinite, and then the vertical range will also be infinite. Then for my marker, I think I'll just use the simple marker, which is the east. Maybe if I can enhance this, I can have it as red. Yeah, then I think that will be more legible. And then all that will be okay. Then I think I can just simply bypass the marker style and go to model display, because that is where we want to concentrate on. So uh, we cannot hide the cut element, so we will leave it at that. Then the custom fields, I'll have the cut fields as in as presented in the settings. And then the next thing that I'll have here is to leave, of course, the fill uncut surfaces the way they are. Then I'll do the vectoral 3D hatching, which is very important, of course, just to ensure that it takes the appeal of the 3D model. So I'll check that box for vectoral 3D hatching. Then transparency will be checked. Of course, I need it to be very transparent and clear to that effect. Then I'll go to the sun and shadows. One thing that I'll do is to make it have in as in 3D window. Then I'll also check the sun shadow to ensure that all that is appearing in the right lighting that I want. So I'll use no contours, so I think that will be okay for that matter. Then I'll click OK, and then I'll wait to visualize how the outlook comes out. So I believe you can see that there has been some changes to this effect. You can be able to see an improvement of the 3D. Uh, let me just drag it a bit so that you can see how it is appearing. You can look at our roof, which is tiled. Let me compare it to the 3D. The 3D here. Yes, you can see that at least the elevations are sort of enhanced, and even the bricks. The bricks. Remember, we have been using the bushes, so uh, this 2D model might not quite seem the way it looks, but at least you can see that there's some enhancement attached to it. Then we can also look at the north elevation, that is the east, and you can do that for all the models that we have. So this is the north. This is the north elevation. You can just use the same procedure. You can just right click, then go to elevation settings. Just use the way we had put it, the generals. Okay, then we go to the marker. You can select the red 20, and then we'll go to the model display, where we'll check the vectoral 3D hatching, and then we'll have the sun shadow marked, and then we'll have the 3D, as in the 3D window, the of course the viewpoint of the sun settings. Then you'll click OK and wait to see how it turns out. So dear viewers, you can do this for all the particular uh, elevations, and I believe you can see that this is simply a means of ensuring that our outlook of the 3D is enhanced, and you can be able to achieve some of the elevation display needs that you want for your particular design. So you can see that I've done east elevation, and I've also done north, and they are synchronized, meaning that they have the same kind of appeal and display parameters that you can have. So I will leave you at that. I think you can also be able to do the south and even the west, just to ensure that you are perfected the art of playing with the graphics in the elevation settings. For now, thank you for your time, and also thank you for taking time to watch this tutorial video. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button, and also share, like, and even comment. Thank you and have a nice day.